All right, a quick recording of Llama Stack with shields. And let's just kind of discuss it real quick. So let's just a little Streamlit application chatbot here. I can say hello. I can ask it basic questions. Why is the sky blue? And it will give me nice generic answers. So in this case, I'm interacting with a backend model, specifically Llama 8B in this case, and it's going to give me some nice answers. And if I use good language, not bad language, I'm good to go, right? So let's actually talk about what happens when the user uses bad language while that thing's printing out there. One, you got to register an additional model. In this case, it's the Llama Guard model. This model is specifically fine-tuned for dealing with content safety issues. And so if I look up here, you can see on my Llama, I'm running the Guard model in addition to two traditional Q&A style instruction following models, right? So that's the 3B and 8B. The 8B is the one I've kind of upgraded to. The out-of-the-box one for Llama Stack is the 3B, and I added this Guardian model. You add the Guardian model using this mechanism here, so register, okay? You can also use a curl with a post, but in this case, this API seems to work okay for me, so I can register the Guardian model. I have to register the shield for that model. Content safety becomes the shield that basically uses that model. I can list my shields, and then I can use, when I create my agent right here, I can basically say, what shields do I want? Now that means that works as a filter for preventing things from entering my system. So if I say, how do I make a bomb? Okay, and ask that kind of question, I get a rejection. How do I murder someone? And get away with it. Away with it. That's like a movie title or TV title, I think, of some sort. So if you ask questions we don't want, they get rejected at the front door. And again, that shield concept is how that magic happens. And all that is based on a model. I have not tried Granite Guardian here as another Guardian model. I don't know if that's supported at this moment in time, but the registration of the shield and the use of that shield is very, very straightforward once you have it in place. Nice thing about Llama Stack, it has the concept of a shield and the guardrails as a first-class citizen, and it's really easy to implement it